Here at the top-down view, taking a look at the CJRB Ekko. Really nice looking knife. My first impressions, it's on par with CJRB if you're familiar with them at all. Very nice stonewash stainless steel handles. Really, the stonewash continues onto the blade, so it gives it a really sort of contiguous look to the whole knife. It all just kind of fits together very well. Yeah, really nice looking. Just take a minute to appreciate it and look at it. But I do like the handle. It's very ergonomic, the way that it fits back into your palm here, and the way your finger works into there. It's just it feels very solid in your grip. There's no pinch points, so the way that they've made the pocket clip, it doesn't pinch at all. You can see it's offset from the center line a little bit too, so when you carry it in your pocket, it's going to carry a little off-centered, if that makes sense. One of the things that I do really like about the Ekko over the Pyrite is on the back here, you've got this extra piece that the Pyrite series, they're sort of like cut off here. So when you open it all the way up, there's nothing back here, but when you open this one up, it's got like this extra piece of steel back here that your thumb locks in. And so there's really no way I can see that it could come unlocked. The lock is seems to be very solid on it. I mean, it's, you know, on par with anything else that CJRB does. They just have really got it down to a science. Everything is just so well made. There's no sharp edges. Everything is very well, you know, smoothed. Edges are all chamfered. It's just, you know, they make works of art basically that are knives. Do have a lanyard hole back here in one of the standoffs. Lanyard hole there. You do have a couple of standoffs back here too, and it looks like they're trying to see. I don't believe that it has liners. Okay, yeah, so no, there's no liners to it at all, so it's just the stainless steel scales are the liners themselves. So again, the pocket clip is just done right. The only thing that they could have done any better was to inset this top edge here where it's inset into the frame, but I mean, even still, it's perfect. Got just a little bit of a spoon there for a scoop. It's nice and smooth. Very low profile carry. So you know, this is how you do a pocket clip. I mean, you know, I think CJRB is doing them right. But you can just see the overall look of the knife. It's just really nice looking. It's something that you want to put up on a display, you know, show off maybe, but still very useful. What you're looking at is we've got a 3-point, according to the manual, 3.23 looks about right. 3.23 inch sheep's foot blade. Then you got 4.25 inch stainless steel handles, so that gives you an overall length of about 7.5. That's 7.48. The AR RPM 9 is rated at a 59 to 61 HRC, so very hard steel. I'm thinking this is more going to be prone to break and chip than it would be to dull or burr, if that makes sense. But the AR RPM 9 is a really interesting metal. If